Uyabona indaba kaMbuthuma bafowethu ayisebuhlungu-ke manje mawuyibheka ngiyazi ukuthi it's okay to mock players or uku-create-a i-banter or i-player maligeja sithi hhayi ayikho indaba yale player leli but week in and week out sokhuluma ngoMbuthuma and le nto lena nayo iyamdistroya mentally. Izinto azisamhambeli kahle at all naye-ke uyahluleka uku-convert ama-opportunities awatholayo cause ku-Orlando Pirates bayamnika ama-opportunities and uyawaqala amagemu amaningi but-ke uyahluleka ukuwathatha ama-opportunities lawa abamnika wona ku-Orlando Pirates. Angisazi nami ukuthi ibhadi noma yini. Umuntu onama-highlights ungakhipha ama-highlights mhlampe awu-15 from last season futhi more than 15 bafowethu maybe close to 20 ama-opportunity futhi more than 20 ama-opportunities awatholile. La sikhuluma ngama-golden opportunities, ama-clear cut opportunities, ama-opportunities bekumele awathathe. Ungathatha ama-highlights wenze ama-highlights we-strike esigejayo ucabanga. But-ke I think le nto lena iyam-affect-a naye mentally ngimbonile ukuthi akekho right. So nami angisathandi ukukhuluma ngoMbuthuma ngithi i-Orlando Pirates ayina-striker boMbuthuma indaba yakhe ayikho cause ngiyazi ukuthi ku-heavy kangakanani. And when you played this beautiful game uya-understand ukuthi the most difficult chance mawunganayo i-confidence is you being a striker and ube uthole i-1-on-1 ngeke uyikore kuvele kucime iy'bani angazi ukuthi kwenzakani kuvele kube mnyama bafethu ungaliboni nokulibona ibala ngathi uloyiwe kanti no akekho umuntu okuloyile. It's just that you need to have that confidence ubhilde low confidence and then once wabhilda i-confidence yokushaya amagoli uzoba right. But at the same time uMbuthuma khona le video etrendayo I think uThomas Mlambo memkhuluma naye laphana eSpain. I can't remember if uThomas Mlambo or ubani but one of the people baku-SuperSport la confirma khona uMbuthuma ukuthi yena waye-goalkeeper then waswitcha nini-ke ukuba yi-striker ngoba uthi yena wakhula ewu-goalkeeper, meaning that he was not trained to be i-striker from the word go noma from the beginning. Into wayicosha nje endleleni le yokuba yi-striker. So i-fault kabani? I-fault yakhe uMbuthuma noma i-fault yalabantu abamdiscover bamtshela ukuthi hey ndoda uyi-striker wena or naye cause iplayer liyakwazi ukuswitcha bafethu as a professional footballer uyakwazi ukuswitcha uthi maybe usho ukuthi okay ngiyazi ukuthi la ngidiscover as i-striker bafethu but i-best position yami ile. But-ke ngoba si-static if umuntu amdiscover ile nto lena asikwazi ukuhlala naye phansi sithi yiphi i-position enye ongayidlala sikuzame kuleyo position sibone ukuthi ngeke ukwazi ukudiliva na. But isithemba ukuthi izinto zizoshintsha for uMbuthuma cause manje i-pressure is getting too much even for yena cause ama-fans akhathele uye akhathele ukumbona egeja kangaka and you won't survive ethimini efana ne-Orlando Pirates.